Hey guys, so earlier today I checked my Instagram and I had a message from a mom of one of my viewers, and you're not going to believe what she did. It's so cool. We had messaged a few days earlier because we're both looking for LOL pets, and we were messaging about how hard it was to find them in stores. And last night she was shopping and she found some, which is so awesome, and she bought enough to share some with me. Isn't that cool? I'm getting ready to go drive and meet them about 45 minutes to an hour away from where I live. I'm gonna go meet them to buy them from them. I'm gonna shoot the beginning of this with my iPhone, and I'm like excited to see how it is. I know that's really random and dumb, but.
Okay guys, I'm here with my friends Stephanie and Abby, and you guys are not gonna believe what they have for me.
Look.
It's a whole box!
Okay, all right. Abby's gonna open hers. Who do you think you're gonna get?
I don't know.
Who do you want?
I want probably Lux.
Does Lux have a pet? I don't know. I don't know either. I don't know much yet. These surprise pets are elusive. They're very hard to gift.
I can't open it.
I have a hard time with those zippers too. I just do that. I just rip them.
Where's the color? Oh, there it is.
What kind of bright flower on this day?
Okay, so you think it's gonna be a dog?
Yeah.
Okay, so far we have one white scoop. I think I know who you have. I think it's the one that I opened in New York. Well, I opened two in New York. It's the one that Sadie opened. Maybe. Oh, no it's not.
I think this is Hoops.
Ooh, that would be cool. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know who it is.
His face.
Is it a puppy?
It's like, yeah, but his face is like squished.
Like a pug?
Yeah.
We're about to find out.
Hoops!
Yes! You were right! How did you know?
I don't know. Hoops, a D-O-G-G.
And then you can do the sandbox part?
And then there's probably a shoes or something else in there.
Aw, that's cute.
There. His face is still flat.
Are you gonna dig in the sand?
Yeah.
Okay.
That would have been cool if I would have got a gold one.
You're very professional with your unboxing of this. It's like kinetic sand.
Yeah, it's like.
Ooh, I've only gotten green so far. You got, what is that, like pink or purple?
Pink.
That's cool. So far I've only gotten green.
Yep, it's shoes.
Is it shoes?
Yep.
So,
Sand in it.
and you know that if you know that you can take this back in and press it, and you can't,
Yeah.
it's not exactly the same, but it's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get some tiny little shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet.
There's sand in there. So hard to find. It's orange. The other one was pink.
Is there like a mix set?
Maybe there's two more.
Yeah, there is. Here.
The other one's probably gonna be orange, and then the other one's gonna probably be pink. 'Cause there's...
I'm so happy I got to meet you guys. How cool.
I wanna go get another one. Where's the other shit? Oh.
Oh, there it is. Right here. Okay, we're moving on to the water surprise.
I'm squeezing her head.
Maybe she cries.
Oh, yes, she does.
She cries? Ah, or spits?
Cry. And then I think you just... What is the scooper for?
The scooper's to scoop the shoes out.
You run all the way with your hand.
Yeah. You didn't need that old scoop. You just used your fingers. Do you have a hoop style?
No.
Oh, maybe you'll get one of those and then you'll have a little family. That'll be cute.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see it one more time. Aww. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy with the one you got?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the shoes on it.
So Abby opened hers, and now I think I'm gonna go and open mine in a video so you guys can see them all. So it was really fun to meet you. Thank you guys again for doing that. And do you want to say anything? So say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye! Hey guys, today on the Amy Jo Toy Show, I'm opening LOL Surprise Pets.
Okay, we're gonna open 2 LOL Surprise Pets in this video. I can't believe I got so lucky to get some of these. So I don't know if you guys saw the video on the Amy Jo Show, but I got so lucky because one of my viewers, her mom knew that I was struggling to find some. And they found some and they bought some to share with me, which was so nice. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, that was stuck. So we have a lot of LOL Surprise Dolls and a little ghost. Team Spirit. What does it mean? Our sticker sheet. So I originally learned about the LOL Pets right before I helped MGA launch them in New York City, and they have been so crazy popular. So I have a few, but I don't have many, so this is really fun and exciting. So I want a hamster. I don't have a hamster yet. I don't think this is a hamster. This feels pretty small. So let's see what we have. Okay, interesting. Is this like a accessory? Is it the cone that dogs wear when they're sick? Here's our bottle. Once I look at the poster, we're gonna know who we have. And here's our little scoop. And let's see who we have. Oh, so cute. We have a kitty cat. Ooh, beautiful. So we can use our little scoop to dig in here, or we can just get right down to it and we can use our fingers. My preferred method. It is fun to use the scoop, but it's faster to do this. And we have some roller skates. Okay, see right here, this is this part. It's like it's like a cone that pets wear when they, I don't know, like if they're hurt or if they have like a cut or something so that they can't lick their wound. So here she is. Who do you think her sis is? Okay, so it's funny how they do this. So see how it says Roller Kit 10? Roller Kit 10? Roller Kit number 10? It's Roller Kitten. Isn't that clever? So here's Roller Kitten, and I have no idea who her sister is. So I have my poster, and I have a lot of these. I don't know who it is. Do you guys know? Just kidding. It's Roller Skater. It's Roller Skater from Series 1. They're a little family. Here's Roller Skater. And one last look at Roller Kitten. Okay, let's move on to our next. And after we open this pet, we'll check our water supplies for Roller Kitten. Let's see what we have. A dress and an arrow. Ooh, that's an easy one. Dress up. Who will it be? It's not a little hamster, I can tell. I know who this is. Ooh, I can't remember her name. I think is it Neon? No. Yeah, it is. It's Neon Kitty. I said no, but yes. Okay, so Neon Kitty, I mean, I'm assuming, yes. So now we have the shades to confirm. So Neon Kitty is one of the pets that we opened when we were in New York. This is the one that Sadie opened. Let's see what else we have. We should have a bottle. And then, of course, some shoes. Ooh, this is so colorful. And our scooper. Here are her tiny little shoes. Okay, so Neon Kitty belongs with Neon Cutie, and I don't have Neon Cutie. So that's kind of sad. I do have some LOL Series 2 to open, so maybe I'll get lucky and get her sis. Would you like that, Neon Kitty? Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 yes. Okay, I think we're ready to see what our water surprise is. Let's start right here. We're gonna take this off so it doesn't get in the way. This kitty is thirsty. Goodness. All right, here we go. Crying is my favorite, so that's what I'm hoping for. Oh, yes! This little kitty cries. Wow, she really squirts. Her tears are like crazy. Aw, poor kitty. Meow, 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 meow. So, Roller Kitten can either cry or tinkle. And our Roller Kitten cried. Now, let's check out Neon Kitty. Neon Kitty! Neon Kitty will either spit or tinkle. So, I don't know. Let's hope for spitting. Uh-oh. Oh. Maybe she needs more to drink. I think she spits. She spits. Okay, I gave her some more water, so whoa. Now she really spits. She was just thirsty. Meow, meow, meow. She feels better now. Okay guys, hope that you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more LOL Surprise Pets and lots of other fun videos on the Amy Jo Toy Show. Bye-bye!